My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to give you an overview of user role management in VisionX. All applications created in VisionX by default include a user role management system that is editable. As you can see, you can make any changes you want, such as adding a new field. Looking at it in the live preview, we can see that we can edit a lot of information. For example, I can choose whether or not a particular user is active. If we create a new user, we can make them change the password on the first login by checking password expired. When creating a new user, we must assign them at least one role. Here we have the option to designate them as an administrator, but maybe we don't want that. Going back to VisionX, I will need to click Settings on the right-hand side. Then, under the Roles tab, I can define a new role. After naming the role, we need to define which screens users with that role are able to see. For example, the Customers and Component table. Let's reload our live preview and check it out. As you can see, we now have the option to assign the new role we just created. Now, if we log in as this new user, we are forced to change the password as defined. And now we see the user can only see the two permitted screens. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.